Most people get this wrong. They think FlexNow is just a buy now, pay later app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that FlexNow has become a multi-purpose financial platform, offering early wage access, installment payment options, and spending insights to help you manage money effectively. Here's how it works. FlexNow allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours, which can be a lifesaver for emergencies or unexpected bills. On top of that, eligible purchases can be split into smaller, manageable payments, so your monthly budget isn't overwhelmed. The app's dashboard is intuitive and easy to navigate. You can track advances, monitor upcoming payments, and view spending trends to identify areas for saving. Notifications and reminders ensure you never miss a repayment, helping avoid fees and build better financial habits. The downside? Overuse can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments may accumulate fees quickly, so it's essential to use FlexNow responsibly and not rely on it as a permanent financial solution. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or splits you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications active to track payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? People with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, FlexNow in 2026 is a practical and flexible financial tool, but only if used wisely. Plan repayments, monitor spending, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for honest app reviews and smart money tips to stay in control.